Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Office Suite on your Linux device. We'll be using PlayOnLinux. It's a very straightforward method that allows you to run Office just like on Windows. So before starting the process, please go ahead and download the files required. I'll put the link in the description. So after downloading that, we can go ahead with the processes. So I've already downloaded that. So this is the file. It's Microsoft Office 2013. So I tried installing Microsoft Office 2016, but PlayOnLinux didn't support that, but some users have succeeded on that, so you can try if you want, but 2013 works fine, and also there is not much difference between 2013 and 2016. Everything works fine for your daily use. So if you want to try it out, you can go ahead and try 2016, but my suggestion is to stick with 2013, and it works really well. So after you have downloaded the file, and then we'll go ahead with the process. So just start your terminal, then we'll update our apt packages. So while this is being done, we'll just extract that. So this is the ISO file for our 2013 Microsoft Office. So after that has been done, we'll just install PlayOnLinux. Just follow the commands that I'm typing. So if you don't know what PlayOnLinux is, it's a graphical tool that simplifies the installation of Windows application, which uses Wine. So after that has been done, we'll install WinBind. WinBind is a compatibility component that helps PlayOnLinux and Wine run Microsoft Office properly. So it is being used especially for licensing and activation. So we'll just install WinBind. So while running PlayOnLinux, you might run into the dependency error for Python. So we need to install the dependencies that PlayOnLinux use from Python. So just type the command. So this should install all our required components. So we have PlayOnLinux. Yep, so it's working fine. So if you just want to run that from command line, just type PlayOnLinux, and that should open up. Yeah, after that has been done, we just need to install Word now. So go into the files, then we need to mount our ISO file. So with the next process, we'll just mount the ISO file. So I'll just create a directory in the root folder. So I'll just name it as 2013 ISO. You can do the same or anything you like. So we have created a directory in there. So what we need to do now is we need to mount this to the directory we just created. So we'll just I'll follow the command. the name. And then where we want to mount, and that would be just our folder we just created. Okay, this should mount it successfully. We'll double check that. Yeah, so that should be mounted perfectly, and all we need is the setup.exe. So after that has been done, we'll open PlayOnLinux. So then you will see that UI, and then we can just press install. Then we need to search. Yeah, so this we just need Microsoft Office 2013. Just click OK. Then next. Then on this we will use a setup file in my computer, that and just browse for the and that should be under our home, Word 2013 ISO, and setup.exe. So if you want to, you can read the terms and condition and just accept that, continue. So this will just prompt to the normal Office installation process that you can see in the Windows as well. So just install now. So our installation process has been completed, and we have installed Excel, OneNote, Outlook, and PowerPoint, and Word as well. So yeah, and I'll sign it later. Let's just type something. And it is working perfectly. So we'll try and use Excel as well. and that works perfectly as well. So at the end of the video you'll have a full Office suite. So if you guys are in any trouble and need help, please let me know in the comments. I would be really happy to help. If you like this video and this helped out, please show your support by like, share, subscribe. It would really motivate me to make other videos as well. And that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.